Hello guys, good evening. This is Mike Padua and we are back to our latest analysis for this Friday to Monday, March 17 to 20, 2023. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Localized Foundation Typhoon Preparedness Center. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set we issued for today, Friday, until tomorrow, Saturday. We still have the northeasterly surface wind flow with some visual conditions and some cloudy skies with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly over the Eastern Visayas and Mindanao area. So don't forget to bring your umbrellas and rain gear. All throughout the archipelago, it will be hot and dry and quiet. And outside of PAR, we don't have any developing low pressure areas or tropical cyclones in sight. We have it here the equatorial trough and the surface trough. And if we take a look at the fast animation, there you go. These are the localized thunderstorms generated by the northeasterly surface wind flow interacting with the easterlies. And here's a long surface trough or near equatorial trough to the south of Guam. Here's the zoom in satellite animation to show to you these thunderstorms roaming across Visayas and some other parts of Mindanao, particularly over here in the Lanao area, and also over Caraga, Siargao, Dinagat, Surigao provinces. There are thunderstorms as of this time. And this is still the last effects of the La Nina, which has ended, but the effects will still continue throughout the hot dry season. So there will be some rain showers and thunderstorms in between these dry months. Okay, and if you take a look at the latest wind and pressure forecast for the next 3 days, by tomorrow afternoon, Saturday, we expect light winds from the northeast prevailing across the Bicol region, Visayas, and easterly winds across the eastern sections of Mindanao. Sunday afternoon, we still expect this light northeasterly to easterly winds across the Bicol region and Visayas, extending through Mimaropa, and also some light northeasterly winds across northern and eastern Mindanao with variable winds and calm conditions over the central portions of Mindanao. Over the vicinity of extreme northern Luzon, light to moderate winds from the east will be expected, and on Monday afternoon, we expect decreasing winds with calm conditions across northern and central Luzon, while very light winds from the east will be expected across southern Luzon, Bicol region, Metro Manila, while over at Panahon, light northeasterly winds, and also the rest of the Visayas, including northern and eastern Mindanao, will be expected. So generally, these are very light winds from the northeast without any major wind system affecting these areas. Calm conditions and variable winds will also be expected across central, southern, and western Mindanao. And if we take a look at the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until Sunday through Monday, we expect the rainfall will be concentrated along the eastern coastal areas of Samar and Leyte, and also over the eastern sections of northern and eastern Mindanao, becoming more frequent over Siargao and Dinagat Islands because of the winds from the northeast and east. While it is converging, it generates localized thunderstorms over these areas. Localized thunderstorms will also be expected across various sections of Mindanao and some portions of the southern Sulu archipelago. And so far, that's the latest from the rainfall accumulation forecast. So that's our quick update for this weekend. And we will return next week again. Enjoy your weekend with the family and loved ones. And we'll see you again next week. Thank you so much for watching.